Hi, my name is Graham. I'm a associate professor of accounting. I started using Tableau, and now I use Microsoft Power BI exclusively. For more information, click below. I use them in class, and so we have data analytic problems. I have 15 different analytics problems that the students work on, and some in Access and some in Power BI. So there are various problems, but basically it's all data analytics for a classroom. Power BI seems to integrate, does two things, but probably the easiest thing that it does is integrate much better with Excel and Microsoft Access. It's a lot easier for the students to do to integrate those than with Tableau. I think Tableau has a more a larger user base, user community, and so there are some things that may be easier to find answers for because there's more people that have tried it. But I haven't used it in a while, so I haven't taken advantage of that in quite some time. Tableau was a little bit harder to start and get some of the. I had some problems with some of the tools that it uses. I guess that's the easiest way to put it. Power BI was a lot more straightforward because it is a Microsoft tool, so it does some of this. It works a lot the same way as some of the other Microsoft tools, so that's a little bit easier to get started. I teach students, so that they can use it on their own and they don't have to talk to me every 5 minutes when they're using it. So error messages, easy to figure out. They're looking like similar software that they use. Those are the kinds of things that become important for me. They're not always students. I don't like to hold their hand when they're using new software, and that's a problem if I have to have 80 students and each one of them has needs some help on opening it up or starting it or importing data or whatever. So that's a general that's a big consideration on my part.